Alright guys, it's the Mike and Curtis page yet again. Just Curtis though. Sorry. Let me know if you're getting tired of me. Commenting down below. To clarify, I keep calling Mike Dawson. We all know him as Dawson. That's what we go by. But anywho, today, working on the old kayak yet again. Got something in the mail. We're going to do a little opening and maybe even install. So let's get to it. I'm going to put you right there in that pole holder. There we go. All right. Just a knife. Open it up. Try not to cut yourself. I almost did. Can't show you this yet. This is for another video. Stay tuned for that. What we got? All right. Got that SCOTTY drink cup holder. I hear hardware. That's good. That's a plus. Before we get to the hardware, let's get this out of my way. All right. A little rundown of it. Decent sized cup holder. Put your lures up there. Notches. Yeah. There we go. Comes with its own little rail, I want to say too. No. Yep. Yeah. 2 hefty screws. All right. I'm just going to assume screw it like that. Wonder how this connects. Got to play with it a little bit before I just throw it on the kayak, you know? Oh, look, see, I had it wrong. Okay, I still think I have it wrong. Oh, you can't go that way. To go that way? Interesting. Well, it's new, so it's more than likely just really, really snug. Oh, damn. Oh, boy. Okay. So I'm going to assume it needs to go like that. No. Yeah, it has to go like that. So the screws are going to be on top. Oh, yeah. So they sit flush. Alright. First thing you want to do is you want to mark your holes. Grab a Sharpie. Kind of pinpoint where you want it at. I'm going to rotate you to where I think I'm going to want it. I was thinking somewhere right about here. It's right there. Or, you know, you can put it anywhere you want it. You can put it right there if you wanted. Put it up front. I mean, there's really no limitation to where you can put this cup holder. It's pretty cool. It comes with its own little rail. But I think I'm going to put it right about there. Take your Sharpie. And that did not work the hole. Okay. Okay. No worries. Okay. No worries. That's fine. May have to kind of eyeball them, but the idea is you take your marker through this hole. You got your little dot. So I'm just going to try to eyeball it here. Do one right there. Do one right there. Now you go grab a drill and a drill bit. I have all that laying right over here. I usually try to start the hole a little bit smaller than the screw. You want the screw, you know, to thread itself. So start a little bit smaller. It doesn't have to be, you know, a huge hole. I say it's too big. We're gonna go with, let's do this one. Nah, maybe one more smaller. There we go, that should work. Yeah. Oh, see it? And you're gonna want to drill your kayak. But I got the holes about where I think they're gonna be. They should be spot on. Let's find out. Just like that. Just like that. Done with that. I usually like to take a little bit of silicone place those on top of these holes. You don't want any excess water in your kayak. That'd be a bad time. Now you grab your screws and your little piece. Oh, first of all, actually, I use the drill. I'm not trying to sit there with a screwdriver. I don't tighten it down super duper tight with the drill. Just, you know, snug it up. But I usually use this little piece and a Phillip head. We're gonna use probably this one that's trying to come out anyways. All right. Lock that in place. Put that right there. Move your hair out of your way if you have long hair like I do. And put you guys back. Actually, we're trying to get you a little bit closer. It's pretty much what I've done is it's got the silicone there. That'll just make sure, you know, not saying a bunch of water is going to get up here, but you don't want these holes leaking. I went through and siliconed just about every hole you see, just in case. So yeah, I'm going to try to attempt to sit you inside the kayak here. What does that look like? Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful. So I guess, just double checking my work here. We want it to slide on that way, so we're going to put it this way. That little clip there. You find your hole. Insert it in. Okay. Doesn't plane all the way down. Okay. It looks like I was off of that little one, but it's fine. This one should start it. It's kind of the great thing about kayaks. It's not the thickest plastic, so that one's on. Oh, it ain't going anywhere. And you grab your cup holder. And voila! There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, Scotty cup holder is now installed, ready to hold on to your river sodas, lake sodas, whatever else you want. And I still have access to this loop there. It's for my paddle leash. Still have access to everything. So yeah, there it is. Like I said, I have one more small thing coming. That's why I have some stuff laid out, ready to go. But that might be later on. I can't tell you what that is yet. You're gonna have to like, comment, and subscribe to find out. And make sure you hit that little bell at the top. That way you know when Mike or myself post. Or Dawson. I like calling him Dawson, but it's besides the point. But remember guys, just keep it clean. And good luck fishing 2020. Hope to see you guys out there. Have a good one.